Hey guys, Ed here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the airbag from your steering wheel in a Jeep Compass. It also suits other cars like also Dodge Caliber and Jeep Patriot and other Jeeps possibly. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Pull the latch. Where is it? And put the stand on. Alright, so the story is, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna just remove one terminal off. Take off. You can take both just to be safe. Now over here on the steering wheel you see that 10mm what is that, bolt? Okay, and same thing on this side, there's a 10mm bolt. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove them. So we just take 10mm socket with the ratchet, 10mm, and just take them out. Also, it might come in handy if you have a magnet like this, just not to lose the screw over there. Okay, so let's take these out first. Okay, so here's goes the first one, and get the second one out also. So I have the one out and get the other one out. Okay, so I got my two screws out. Now I'm just gonna pull on the airbag. Okay, over here we have two wires, okay, two connectors with wires, so we need to get them out. How do we get them out? There are two pins on the sides, one here and other one is here. And same, okay, I'm gonna take something to show you. So you see, one is here, the other one is on the other side. So we have to press them together. We have to press on them, and then we'll be able to pull them out. So I'm gonna try to film it somehow and get one out. Okay, nice. So this is how you get it out. Second one. Well, it's hard to film, guys, so you got the point. Just squeeze them together and pull them out like this. Okay. And then you have the airbag. Note that you have one yellow pin and you have one black pin. Okay. So don't make a mistake. Put the same color to same color. Okay. So once you have the new airbag, same way you put it in. Just connect it like this. Goes in. This one goes in. Then you have these slides. This one and this one, they go on outer side. So just all right. We have airbag back in place. So now what we have to do, we just take the screws and put them back in place, and you're all set. After you do this, put the terminal on the battery, and you're all set. So this is, as you can see, very simple procedure. So guys, if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.